little chef, short and sweet, with my tiny hat and dancing feet. Pots and pans go cling and clang. Time to cook, ding goes the pan. I chop the carrots, I stir the peas, add broccoli with so much ease. A pinch of love, a dash of fun, healthy food for everyone. Banana slices, apples red, oranges dancing on my bread. Mix them in my magic bowl, fruit power makes me whole. Shake your spoons and clap your hands, do the chef dance where the oven stands. Stir, stir, jump up high, spin like a pizza in the sky. Set the table nice and neat, tasty colors on every seat. One for you and one for me, let's eat happy joyfully. Hats off now, the meal is done. Cooking healthy sure is fun. See you soon, we'll cook again. Little chefs with veggie friends.